ग्वालियर जिला ग्वाली पास नामक एक पवित्र व्यक्ति के नाम पर रखा गया। हिस्ट्री। प्राचीन और मध्यकालीन। ग्वालियर की स्थापना 8वीं सदी में सूरज सेन ने की थी, जिसे एक पवित्र व्यक्ति ग्वालिपा ने ठीक किया था, जिसके नाम पर शहर की स्थापना की गई थी। ग्वालियर शिलालेख में हुंड शासक मिहिर कुल के शासन का उल्लेख है। शताब्दी के आसपास गुर्जर प्रतिहार वंश ने ग्वालियर को नियंत्रित किया। 1231 में इल्तुतमिश ने ग्वालियर पर कब्जा कर लिया। 1375 में राजा वीर सिंह ने तोमर कबीले का शासन स्थापित किया, जिससे मान सिंह तोमर संबंधित हैं। आधुनिक। 1830 में सिंधियों ने ग्वालियर पर कब्जा कर लिया और यह ब्रिटिश शासन के दौरान एक रियासत बना रहा। स्वतंत्रता के बाद ग्वालियर का मध्य भारत राज्य में विलय हो गया और यह शीतकालीन राजधानी बन गई। वर्तमान। 1956 में पुनर्गठन के बाद यह एक अलग जिला बना। ज्योग्राफी। ग्वालियर उत्तर भारत के ग्रिड क्षेत्र में एक रणनीतिक स्थान रखता है। संभाग। ग्वालियर संभाग के अंतर्गत। भौतिक विभाजन। यह बुंदेलखंड के पठार का भाग है। निकटवर्ती जिला। मुरैना, दतिया, भिंड, शिवपुरी। जलवायु। गर्मी और सर्दी दोनों में चरम। नदी। स्वर्णरेखा, मुरार, साकी बांध, तिगरा बांध यहाँ स्थित है। टूरिज्म एंड कल्चर। बटेश्वर भगवान शिव और विष्णु को समर्पित बलुआ पत्थर से बने लगभग 200 मिलीमीटर भव्यता का समूह। गोपांचल जैन तीर्थंकरों की रॉक कट मूर्तियाँ। गुजरी महल राजा मान सिंह ने अपनी पत्नी मृगनयनी के लिए बनवाया था। अबुल फजल का मकबरा। ग्वालियर का किला लोकप्रिय रूप से भारत के जिब्राल्टर के रूप में जाना जाता है। इसे भारत में किलों के बीच मोती भी कहा जाता है। जय विलास पैलेस राष्ट्रीय चंबल अभयारण्य। मान सिंह पैलेस मान सिंह तोमर द्वारा निर्मित। मितौली माना जाता है कि संसद भवन इसकी गोलाकार संरचना से प्रेरित है। रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का मकबरा। पड़ावली एक बार भगवान शिव की पूजा करने के लिए दिव्य स्थान के रूप में सेवा की। मोहम्मद गौस का मकबरा। सरौद घर उस्ताद हाफिज अली खान के घर में संगीत संग्रहालय स्थापित किया गया। सिंधिया संग्रहालय। घाटी गांव अभयारण्य। सूर्य मंदिर सूर्य देव को समर्पित वास्तुकला का चमत्कार। तानसेन स्मारक तानसेन का मकबरा अकबर के दरबार में नवरत्नों में से एक। सूरज कुंड गोपाल पर्वत। ग्वालियर किले में चतुर्भुज मंदिर पहली बार शून्य लिखा गया। तेली का मंदिर उत्तर और दक्षिण शैली का समामेलन। भगवान विष्णु को समर्पित सिंधिया वंश की छत्रियाँ। बिलौवा गुफाएं। सास बहू मंदिर इसे सहस्त्रबाहु मंदिर या हरिशदानम मंदिर के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। भगवान विष्णु को समर्पित। इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट। ग्वालियर का प्राचीन नाम गोपांचल या गोपालगिरी था। इसे तानसेन नगरी भी कहा जाता है। एशिया का पहला शारीरिक प्रशिक्षण संस्थान रानी लक्ष्मीबाई शारीरिक प्रशिक्षण संस्थान 1957 में स्थापित किया गया। स्टेटस सेकेंड एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी विजयाराजे सिंधिया एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी की स्थापना 2008 में हुई थी। अधिवक्ता प्रशिक्षण संस्थान एनसीसी महिला प्रशिक्षण कॉलेज यहाँ स्थित। कैप्टन रूप सिंह स्टेडियम भारत का पहला कार्गो हवाई अड्डा। डेमोग्राफी। कुल जनसंख्या 20,32,036 19वीं रैंक। जनसंख्या घनत्व 446 प्रति वर्ग किलोमीटर चौथा रैंक। लिंग अनुपात 864। बाल लिंगानुपात 840। कुल साक्षरता दर 76.65%। भारत का पहला फ्लोटिंग आर्ट थिएटर। एमपी का राजस्व मंडल एवं एमपी का महालेखाकार कार्यालय ग्वालियर में है। उच्च न्यायालय की पीठ स्थित चीनी मिल डबरा ग्वालियर में स्थित है। दतिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट। हिस्ट्री। एंशिएंट एंड मिडिवल। एंशिएंट दतिया टाउन was ruled by King Dantavakra and the area is mentioned as Daityavakra in Mahabharata. State was formed in 1549. Rao Bhagwan Rao established his own state in 1626 after he received the territory from his father Raja Bir Singh Dev of Orchha. Modern Britishers took over the region after Treaty of Basin in 1802. After independence, it became a part of the new state of Vindhya Pradesh in 1950. Present. In 1956, it became a district of Madhya Pradesh. Tourism and culture. Pitambara Peeth Datia, famous Shakti Peeth Vankhandeswar temple of Shiva located here. Bagla Mukhi Devi and Dhumavati Mai temple were built by Golokvasi Swami Ji Maharaj. Ratangarh located on bank of Sindh river. Sonagiri famous pilgrimage Jain temple. Unnao Balaji Sun Temple known as Balaji Dham, Bir Singh Palace built by King Bir Singh Dev in 1620 also known as Govind Mandir. Datia Fort, Justice of Crown written on its gate. Tatkhanda Mahal and Rajgarh Palace are located here. Kanhargarh Fort located at Siwara. Gurjara inscription located at Datia is Ashok's minor rock edict. Demography. Total population 7,86,754. Population density 271 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 873, 47th rank. Child sex ratio 856. Total literacy rate 72.63%. Geography. Physical division. Part of Bundelkhand Plateau. Division under Gwalior. Adjacent district Bhind, Shivpuri, Gwalior. Border touch UP states. River Sindh, Pahuj. Projects. Bhander project on Mata Tila Dam. Joint project of UP and MP on river Betwa. Sindh project on Sindh river. State's first Nagar Palika is of Datia. Important point. Ancient name of Datia is Dilip Nagar. Datia is also called as Small Vrindavan. Industrial area located here is Badera. It is second smallest district of state. Bhander first gas based power plant of state. State's biggest Ram Leela fair is organized here. Shivpuri district. Named after Lord Shiva in ancient time called Shipri. History. Ancient and medieval. First historical mention of Shivpuri was by Emperor Akbar in 1564. Dens first of Shivpuri were once the royal hunting ground. In the 16th century, Shivpuri, like all of Gwalior state, was part of Maratha Empire. Modern. During the period of unrest, the Rajput of Narwar secured the town and district of Shivpuri. Daulat Rao Scindia captured the town from the ruler of Narwar in 1804 and made the town their summer capital. After independence, Shivpuri was part of Gwalior state and therefore merged with Madhya Bharat state. Present. Shivpuri became a district of Madhya Pradesh after reorganization in 1956. Geography. Physical division. Part of Central India Plateau. Division under Gwalior Division. Adjacent district Morena, Gwalior, Guna, Ashoknagar, Shivpur. Border touch the state of Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. River Parvati, Sindh, Kuno, Betwa, waterfall Bhura Kho and Tunda Barkha Kho. Climate. Shivpuri has a cool and dry climate. The district can be bifurcated into three main divisions: the Bundelkhand Trap, the Upper Vindhyas, the Deccan Trap. The flora found in district are Khair, Khardai, Song, Salaj, Rendu, Palas, Mahua, Saja. Tourism and culture. Chhatri, established by Scindias, dedicated to Madhav Rao Scindia and his mother Maharani Sank Raje Scindia. George Castle, built inside Madhav National Park, built by Scindia ruler in 1911 for the King of England George V. Madhav National Park, situated in Vindhyan Ranges, it was designated as National Park in 1958. Excellent bird watching site. Tatya Tope Memorial is in Shivpuri. Narwar Fort, built by Raja Nal. Narwar is famous city of Mahabharat times. Madhav Vikas Palace. Karera Wildlife Sanctuary. Son Chiraiya is protected here. Pir Budhan Fair is organized here. Demography. Total population 17,26,050. Population density 171 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 877. Child sex ratio 893. Total literacy rate 62.55%. Shivpuri is MP's first tourism city declared by government. Shivpuri is second largest district in terms of area in the state. Katha manufacturing factory is located here. Investigation Bureau Training Center is located at Shivpuri. First solar powered telephone exchange is in Shivpuri. Nuclear power plant is proposed at Bhimpur village in Shivpuri. Tatya Tope was hanged in Shivpuri on 18th April 1859. Ashoknagar district. History. Ancient Ashoknagar was part of Chedi kingdom in Mahabharat period and Chedi Janpad at Janpad times. Ashoknagar named after great emperor Ashok. Medieval. Part of Chanderi state. Raja Kirtipal founded Chanderi city, attacked several times by Mahmud Ghaznavi. Modern. Daulat Rao Sindhia attacked Chanderi at time of Bundela ruler More Prahlad. Last Bundela ruler of Chanderi, Raja Mardan Singh, made supreme sacrifice in 1857. After independence, part of Malwa Union until 1956, present carved out of Guna district on 15th August 2003. Geography. Eastern boundary formed by Betwa river and western boundary by Sindh river. Adjacent district Vidisha, Shivpuri, Guna and Sagar. Eastern border touch UP. Physical division Central Highland Division, Malwa and Bundelkhand Plateau Division under Gwalior Division. Soil black, brown and Patauri soil. Rivers Betwa, Parvati and Sindh. Ashoknagar was formerly known as Pachar, well known for grain mandi and Sarbati Gehu. Tourism and culture. Jain temple Trikal Chaubis. Karila Mata Mandir, birthplace of love and kush. Tumain, known for Mata Vindhyavasini temple and Tumain inscription of Mauryan times. Chanderi, famous for Chanderi saris. Chanderi fort, built by Raja Kirtipal. Johar Kund Hawa Mahal, Naukhanda Mahal and Khuni Darwaja located here. Sri Anandpur, headquarter of Sri Advait Paramhans Sacred Isa Gah. Kadwaya, ancient Shiv Mandir Garhi and Mata Mandir. Samadhi of Baiju Bawra, Chanderi. Geography. Eastern boundary formed by Betwa river and western boundary by Sindh river. Adjacent district Vidisha, Shivpuri, Guna and Sagar. Eastern border touch UP. Physical division Central Highland Division, Malwa and Bundelkhand Plateau Division under Gwalior Division. Demography. Total population 7,49,237. Population density 200 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 979. Child sex ratio 950. Total literacy rate 67.88%. Famous for Chanderi saris and velvet industry. Mungawali, MP's first open jail. Navjeevan Shivir, Tulsi Sarovar. Guna district in ancient time was known as Isagar. History. Ancient and medieval. Guna was part of the ancient Avanti kingdom founded by Chandrapradot Mahasena. Shishunag added the kingdom to Magad Empire. Modern. It was conquered by Maratha leader Ranoji Rao Sindhia and remained part of Kingdom of Gwalior. After independence, Guna became a part of new state of Madhya Bharat on 28th May 1948 as one of the 16 districts present. It was merged with Madhya Pradesh in 1956. Geography. Guna is gateway of Malwa and Chambal. Physical division part of Malwa Plateau division under Gwalior division. Adjacent districts Shivpuri, Rajgarh, Bhopal, Ashoknagar. Border touch Rajasthan state. River Parvati and Sindh. Sindh River divide Guna into two parts. Industry. National Fertilizer Limited at Vijaypur, Guna. Gas Authority of India Limited at Vijayanagar. Tourism and culture. Bees Bhuji Temple, known to be most ethical temple of Guna, Bajranggarh Fort, built by Marathas in 1775. There is Moti Mahal, Rang Mahal and Ram Mandir inside the fort. Old name of fort was Jarkon. Gopi Krishna Sagar Dam, Hanuman Tekri, Jainagarh, Jain temple built by Padsaha Jain saint. Tejaji Fair, Hiraji Fair and Sidhgawa Fair are organized in Guna. Bajranggarh, Temple of Bajrangbali located. Demography, total population 12,41,519. Population density 194 per square kilometer. Sex ratio 912. Child sex ratio 910. Total literacy rate 63.23%. Important point. Chainpura Industrial Area is located in Guna. Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur gas pipeline passes through Guna. At Kumbh Raj Commercial Mandi is organized. Dr. Shankar Dayal Mukherjee Khel Sal is located here. Geosatellite Telecom Exploration Center is located at Guna. Rawagढ़ was a riyasat before independence.